Wozani Ndlebe ngize nendaba allegedly wengane wethu yazi siyabonga bafethu cha asibongeni lapha umfethu umkhwanazi umsebenzi akawenzile uyabonakala wathinta nje ibhathini elilodwa wathi imovie yayidlalela nje siyabona ababoshwa abantu and into engijabulisa ukuthi this thing is happening between Gauteng and KZN wayengijabula ke I'm a former police member nami lapha in the early 2000s sasisebenza ngaphansi kuka commissioner uMthombeni wala eGauteng njengamanje sisebenza lapha eJabulani police station. So ngiyajabula mangibona ukuthi bayasebenzisana nomkhwanazi ukwenza sure ukuthi babophe igelekeqe. So kuyangijabulisa kodwa angikho ke lapho nakho la ngikhona ngane zakwethu ngithi I know ukuthi we are not worried ngo 2026 local government elections kangako, but we are worried because we know ukuthi they will rig ama votes but we are not that much worried. We know ukuthi kuzoba MK party ANC then kube iDA. MK party izoyitholela nayo kanjalo. So we pass that one. Bese siza ku 2027 kuzobe kuvotelwa upresident weANC namanye ke amalokhuzana, but umuntu esimbheka kakhulu upresident weANC lapha kwaGreen. Abantu engisho ngabo uMpostoli Paul noAnfikile ukuthi bayifuna leya position. Angikho sure ngoPanyaza ncam. Ene ngiyasola ngathi noSenzo Mchunu naye uyayifuna leya position kapresident. So anginankinga ke mina ngokuthi kuvotelwa abantu between the three. All right? Ngaphatheka kabi mangabe kungabalwa noPanyaza lapha. Panya, I wish you don't want to be the next president, rather the SG of the ANC, not the next president. Because ngizontshela nje for free, we know which in 2029 the party that will be leading is the MK party. MK party will get the majority of the people of South Africa voting for Yona. That one we know. Because into ebalulekile thina as MK party is to make sure ukuthi we guard against rigging yama votes in 2029. Lento esenzile last year ingasiphindi. Ile into ebalulekile. We know ukuthi there are so many countries that have interest in this country, especially ngaphesheya. The USA, the West, even Russia has got an interest, but bayenze ngathi they are not. Bayacasha, bahambela emuva, bahambela kude. Kumele baphumele obala ukuthi kucaca ukuthi kuyaliwa manje. We want them to come and also help us in making sure ukuthi we guard against rigging yama votes in South Africa in 2029, so that MK party can win convincingly. Because uma sikhuluma abantu they don't see ukuthi kwenzakalani in South Africa. The cost of living is too high in this country. Look at ugesi, uthenga ugesi we-500. How many units do you get? So this government is making sure they are milking us dry. And it's so sad because they are not even creating employment. So it is very important to make sure in 2029 we remove this government of GNU, the useless government ever in South Africa. We were told ukuthi kwake kwaba ne9 wasted years, azange sayibona thini wasted. Khani siyibona manje ukuthi na into wasted. During the 9 wasted years as they put it, azange sayibona. So ngithi mina ke angifisi ukuthi kube uPanyaza ozoba upresident weANC in 2027, because in 2029 he will be making history of being the first president to lose elections under the ANC. Because we know ukuthi the MK party will win this time around, and convincingly so. EDA will not even get 20%. That one we know. Maybe ANC might get 20%, but EDA will not. IDA iyazi ukuthi they don't have so much people who are supporting IDA. But the MK party, and I mean I can bet ukuthi the MK party izothola 50+1 in 2029. I can bet that. But we need to guard against rigging yama votes in 2029 in order for us to see a victory. So uPanyaza, please, rather fight for Uba SG, not the president. Let Mbalula, Pauli, Senzo Mchunu, whoever, be the losing presidents, first president to lose in the ANC in 2029. Please, please, please. And in 2029, we won't be motivating people who let's not vote for the ANC, let's vote for MK. No. People I know will vote for MK, but just like they did last year. But there won't be any rigging in 2029. My MK, we need to make sure of that. And the lento ukuthi we let president ahlupheke lapha, it's time for us to wake up now and fight.